this channel. And if you're coming back, welcome back. This channel is all about learning German from zero, and I mean real zero. We are starting with the very first thing you need to know, the German alphabet. In the first part, we are going through all 26 regular letters A to Z. In part 2, we will cover the 4 special German letters, pronunciations, rules and everyday phrases. So let us not waste any time and let us go. Look at this title on the screen. Das deutsche Alphabet. That means the German alphabet. Das means the. Deutsch means German. And alphabet, well, that is the same word. You can see it says A to Z. Plus for special letters A, Ö, Ü and the sharp S. Those 4 special letters do not exist in English. They are completely German. We are going to learn all of them across both parts of this video. Whether you are 6 or years old or 60, this is for you. Let us dive in. Look at this slide. This is the entire German alphabet all in one place. 26 letters just like English, plus the 4 special ones you can see in color. A, Ö, Ü and the sharp S. Now I want you to do something fun right now. Look at the letters and spot any you already recognize from English. Most of them look exactly the same. A, B, C, D, all the way to Z. But here's the big secret. Even though they look at the same, some of them sound very different in German. Each letter also has an example word next to it. For example, A is for Arbeit, which means work or job. And G is for Guten Tag, which means good day. We will go through every single one together. Ready? Let us go. Alright, our first 5 letters. Repeat every letter after me. Say it out. That is how language learning works. A, pronounced as A, like the sound you make at the doctor when they say open wide. The example word is Arbeit. Say it with me. Arbeit. It means work or job. Meine Arbeit macht Spaß. My job is fun. B, pronounced as B, just like the English letter B. No surprises here. The example word is Buch. Say it. Book. Das Buch ist interessant. The book is interesting. C, pronounced C. Now here's our very first difference from English. In German, C is often sound like ts, especially before certain vowels. The example word is cafe. Yes, just like coffee shop. Wir gehen ins Café. We're going to the cafe. D, pronounced as D. Easy, just like the English letter D. But the example word is one of the most important words in all of German. Are you ready? Danke. Say it with me. Danke. Danke means thank you. Danke schön means thank you very much. You will use this word every single day in Germany. So say it again. Danke. E, pronounced as A, like the E in the English word bed. The example word is Essen. Say it Essen. It means food or to eat. Das Essen schmeckt gut. The food tastes good. Everybody loves that. First 5 letters done. Amazing work. 5 more letters coming your way. These include a couple of letters that sound nothing like their English cousins, so pay close attention. F, pronounced as F. Same as the English letter F. No trick here. The example word is Familie. Say it. Familie. It means family. Meine Familie ist groß. My family is big. family? Drop it in the comments. G pronounced like the English letter G, easy. But example word is one of the most famous German phrases of all time. Guten Tag. Say it with me. Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day. Germans say this in the afternoon as a greeting. Guten Tag. Say it one more time. Guten Tag. H pronounced as ha. In German, ha is always breathed out. It is never silent like in some English words. The example word is house. Say it. House. It means house or home. Das Haus ist schön. The house is beautiful. I pronounced E like the E sound in the English word see. Now here's a word you will use all the time in German. Ich, say it. Ich. It means I, as in talking about yourself. Ich lerne Deutsch. I am learning German. You can say that sentence right now because it is completely true. You are learning German right now in this video. J, and here comes the first big surprise for today. In German, J pronounced J, and it sounds like the English letter Y. So every time you see the letter J in German, think Y sound. The example word is Ja. Say it. Ja. It means year. Ein Jahr hat 12 Monate. A year has 12 months. Remember, this one German J always sounds like the English Y. This trips people up all the time. We are almost halfway through the alphabet now. You are doing so well. Let us keep going. K pronounced as K, same as the English letter K. Nice and simple. The example word is Kinder. Say it. Kinder. It means children. Die Kinder spielen. The children are playing. That could be you. L. Pronounced as L. Just like in the English letter L. The example word is lernen. Say it. Lernen. Lernen means to learn. Lernen macht Spaß. Learning is fun. And it is fun. M pronounced as the English letter M. The example word is music. Say it. Musik. Yes, it means music. Ich höre Musik. I listen to music. What kind of music do you listen? Drop it in the comments. N pronounced as N. Exactly like in the English letter N. The example word is Nacht. Say it. Nacht. It means night. And here's one of the most useful phrases, German. Gute Nacht. Good night. You can say that anyone before they go to sleep. Gute Nacht. O pronounced O, like the O in the English word more. The example word is Ort. Say it. Ort. It means place or town. Der Ort ist ruhig. Place it quiet. You are getting really good at this. We are in the final stretch of the regular alphabet now. 5 more letters and then we are done with part 1. So stay with me. P pronounced as P. Same as the English letter P. The example word is Pause. And yes, it means almost the same as English. Pause means break or Pause. Wir machen Pause. We take a break. We are not taking a break right now though. We are on a roll. Q pronounced as Q. In German, Q is always followed by the letter U. And together they sound like Q and not like Q. Like in English, the example word is Quelle. Say it. Quelle. It means source or spring. Eine gute Quelle, a good source. R pronounced as air. The German air is made from the back of the throat, like you're gently gargling. It takes practice and that is totally normal. Do not worry if it feels strange at first. The example word is Reise. Say it. Reise. It means journey or trip. Die Reise war toll. The journey was great. S pronounced as S. The example word is Schule. Say it. Schule. very different from many other countries. I'm going to tell you all about it in a later video. So make sure you subscribe. T pronounced as te. Same as the English letter T. The example word is Tür. Say it, Tür. It means door. Die Tür ist offen. The door is open. 5 more letters done. Almost there. This is the last group of regular letters. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And some of these are absolute game changer. Listen carefully. And U pronounced as U. Like the U in the English word moon. Example word is Uhr. Say it, Uhr. It means clock or o'clock. Es ist 3 Uhr. It's 3 o'clock. V, and this one is a big surprise. In German, V is actually pronounced like the English letter F. Yes, F. Not V like in English, but F. So German V equals F sound. The example word is verstehen. Say it, verstehen. It means to understand. Ich verstehe. I understand. Here comes another big one. In German, V sounds like English letter V. So German V equals to V. Let me say that again. So it really sings in German V. Sounds like English F. German W sounds like English V. Yes, V and W are completely switched around. Just remember that and you will be absolutely fine. The example word is Wasser. Say it, Wasser. It means water. Ich trinke Wasser. I drink water. X pronounced as X. The example word is xylophone. Say it, xylophone. Yes, it is xylophone. Xylophone klingt schön. Das Xylophone, the xylophone sounds beautiful. Y pronounced as Y. Y is very rare in German and mostly appears in borrowed words. The example word is Yoga. Yoga is gesund. Yoga is healthy. Z, and this is the very last regular letter. Z pronounced as Z, and it sounds like in the word pizza. So whenever you see the Z in German, think not like Z like in English. The example word is Zeit. Say it, Zeit. It means time. Die Zeit fliegt. Time flies. And yes, time has flown because we just finished all 26 regular letters. That is the wrap on part 1 of the German alphabet. I am Magil and you just learned all 26 letters of the German alphabet. That is seriously impressive, especially if this was your very first time. In part 2, which is coming right up on this channel, we are going to cover the 4 special letters that do not exist at all in English. So click on part 2 right now. It's already waiting for you. And if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I will see